In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly track your orders on Temu. This is a quick and easy process, but can be highly useful for keeping tabs on your purchases and ensuring you know exactly where your package is at all times. So let's dive straight into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Temu's website. If you're not familiar with Temu, it's a robust platform designed to help you manage and purchase various products effortlessly. Once you've reached the website, make sure to log into your account. This step is crucial because all subsequent steps require actions that can only be performed when you're logged into your personal profile. Now that you're in, direct your attention to your profile area. This is usually found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access a drop-down menu that gives you various options related to your account management. From the menu, find the option labeled Your Orders and click on it. This will take you to a page that summarizes all your recent transactions and, more importantly, allows you to track them. This page is your hub for managing and reviewing all the items you've purchased. Once you've landed on the Your Orders page, you'll notice a section labeled All Orders. This section displays a comprehensive list of everything you've ordered. Now, this is where the magic happens. Simply scroll to find the order you want to track. Generally, the most recent orders are found at the top, but you can browse through them if you're looking for something older. Beside each listed item or order, there's a button labeled Track. Click on this button. By doing so, you'll be directed to a real-time status update of your order. This includes information on where your package is currently located, estimated delivery dates, and any relevant updates about your shipment. It's an efficient way to stay informed about your purchase from the point of sale to the moment it arrives at your doorstep. Once you've reviewed the tracking information, you can navigate back to the main page or even explore other functions available within your Temu profile. And that's all there is to it. Simple, straightforward, and keeps you in the loop. Thank you for following along with this video. We hope this guidance has been helpful. Enjoy tracking your orders effortlessly on Temu, and remember, staying informed is just a few clicks away. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our videos. Take care and happy shopping on Temu.